This is the car of my brother-in-law, and his car's fuel injectors should be cleaned up. You see these ones? There are 4 of them, so I'm going to take off them, and I'm going to use a special tool which I made myself. Here it is, you see? So, a special tool, so I'm going to clean it up. Fuel injectors look like this. This is for Subaru. These ones are of the same car, but these are bad. So, and the fuel is leaking from somewhere, I don't know. So these ones are bad. So I'm going to take off the fuel injectors and clean up with my special tool. Now I'm cleaning the fuel injectors in a special liquid. I don't know what is its a name in English. Acetone maybe. So this one. So I'm cleaning the outside. After that, I'm going to use my tool. I will pour the liquid into this tank, and it will be coming to this rail. The injectors will be installed into these holes. There are 4 of them, and I'll give some electricity. They will open, and the liquid will pass through the fuel injectors. So I decided to use its own rail, not mine, but this one, because it'll be easier to handle. And moreover, I decided to use not an electric pump, but a foot pump. So I'm making in the tank there is some liquid. It's more aggressive than the carb cleaner, so I'm making some pressure inside of the tank, and after that I will show. So I connected the wire. Just a second. The process of cleaning the fuel injectors. So you can see that. Thanks. Goodbye.